was discussing recipes and food and things like that with a viewer. And I said, yeah, I have that on my channel. And he goes, no, you don't. I looked at all your Axel's Kitchen playlist, and that's not there. And he was right. There are a few videos that are on a channel that we had started many years ago and kind of fell flat, but it was called Axel's Kitchen. And I thought I had them on Axel's Garage as well, and we don't. So there's some great recipes and some good family recipes that we'd like to show you, and this is one of them from probably, about 5 or 6 years ago. Enjoy. Today at Axel's Kitchen, it's cousin Kristie's.
What?
Today at Axel's Kitchen, it's cousin Kristie's homemade cornbread. Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Kitchen. It's Thanksgiving 2017. So we saved this one for you guys here at Axel's Kitchen. We're in the kitchen, and my wife is getting the stuff ready. We are going to attempt a new cornbread recipe. This is cousin Kristie's cornbread recipe. Now, we made some cornbread here at Axel's Kitchen because, as you know, we like to do barbecue. And what goes great with barbecue but cornbread? And I've tried different cornbreads and different recipes, and I've tried jazzing it up. And I kind of got one that I like, but it doesn't always come out as moist as I like, even though I've added eggs, I've added, what else besides eggs? A lot of butter. It's not the perfect cornbread that I really want. So cousin Kristie gave us a recipe that we really liked last time we had it, so we're going to give it a shot. And then in the future, we might even jazz it up a little. But it pretty much starts with Jiffy corn muffin mix. So we're going to use some Jiffy corn muffin mix. We're going to add in some sugar, some sour cream, some butter, and then at the very end we're going to add some corn, some cream of corn, and some regular sweet corn out of a can, just drained. Not the cream of corn, we need the cream. And then we're going to put that into a baking sheet. We're going to melt some butter and put it on top, which really makes it moist. Oh, it's got eggs too, right? Like 4 eggs?
Yes.
It's got like 4 eggs in it too. And we're going to give it a shot here at Axel's Kitchen. So we're going to get ready and we're going to start making cornbread. Alright, so we're going to take 2 packages of Jiffy, this is America's favorite, Jiffy corn muffin mix, and that's going to be our base for our cornbread. Alright, so a cup and a half of sugar, we almost went a cup and 3/4, which is pretty good. And now we're going to do a cup and a half of sour cream. Emily, sour cream. How much of that? How many ounces?
This is 16.
16. So that's 2 cups.
Yeah.
So 4 ounces less than that. We're doing math. You can cut yourself. Things with steak knives all the time. Should we measure or should we just?
I just take.
Do we know what 4 ounces?
Take out half. That's the cup. And a little more. We don't like to measure.
All right, so cup and a half. Which is how many ounces? 12. And this is 16, so we're going to leave 4. That looks like 4. Huh?
After you crack the shell on there.
Alright, 4 eggs. We got the Jiffy, we got the sour cream, we got the sugar, we got the eggs, and now we just got to put a stick of melted butter in. I can't use my sweatshirt.
Yeah.
Stick of melted butter. We're going to mix that. We're going to mix it with this?
Yeah.
Or we're going to use a power mixer?
I never do.
She never does. Like she's ever made this before.
When I make normal corn muffins.
Well, we're not making corn muffins. We're making
Right,
cornbread.
but did Kristie say that in the directions?
No, she just said mix.
So mix it with the whisk.
Alright, so we're mixing it with a whisk.
Do I have to grease the pan?
Yes, grease. 13 by 9 pan. She's going to grease it up while I mix it up. This is much easier than my cornbread recipe. I know there's going to be people saying we're cheating by using the Jiffy and not using real cornmeal, but
They can make it themselves.
okay, so to go over that ingredients again, those are 2 boxes of Jiffy, 4 eggs, a stick of melted butter, cup and a half of sugar, cup and a half of sour cream. Mix it up. Once you get it completely mixed good, we are going to add a can of cream corn. Oven's preheating to 350, I forgot to mention that. So now we're going to add a can of cream corn and a small can of regular corn drained, which we don't have a small can, so we're just going to take like a half to 3/4 of a regular size can. We don't really buy too many small cans of anything in this house. Is our small can. So you got everything mixed together. Now we're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Butter, that's right, I said butter. And we got our 13 by 9 glass, whatever you call this. What do you call this?
Pyrex.
Pyrex. And we're going to pour our mixture in. Alright, so we got our mixture poured in. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to melt those 2 tablespoons of butter and we're going to pour it on top. Nice and gently pour it and let it float on top. Don't mix it in, don't pour it so that it penetrates a lot. You just want to float it right on top. Got that? We're floating. Alright, so we are going to take this 2 tablespoons of melted butter and we are just going to drizzle. Just going to float it on top. I'm just going to take a back side of a spoon just to float that butter around. It's almost like you're a mason doing cement work. We were just saying off camera that this is easy enough where we're going to make 2 of them. And we're going to take one with us for Thanksgiving to my brother's house. And we're going to send one next door to my in-laws. Because yes, my in-laws live next door. I live a sitcom. Really, I do. So, all ready to go in the oven, 350 degrees, put it right in the middle rack. About 45 to 55 minutes, depending on your oven, a nice golden brown. You know, just don't overcook it, and really don't overcook it because then it's going to be mushy. So,
Yeah.
45 to 50 minutes, just get it a nice golden
Toothpick
brown,
clean.
and we'll show you, yeah, toothpick clean, you said? Baby mama says toothpick clean. That's stab it with a toothpick, pull the toothpick out, toothpick clean, you're good to go. And we're going to throw this in the oven, and in 45 minutes, I'll show you what it looks like. All right, well, 48 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees, and it came out, looks perfect. There you have the hot hands there. And that's a nice looking cornbread. We'll let it cool, we'll slice it up, we'll get it ready for today's Thanksgiving. That's it today from Axel's Kitchen. If you like the video, please give us the thumbs up. And if you like what we're doing here at Axel's Kitchen, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, check out Axel's Garage. If you like to work on cars, do car projects, fix stuff around the house, Axel's Garage is a great place to go. And as always, thanks for watching.